Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is a little bit of clips showing you the ride that Ronnie and I went on yesterday, which was the Lehigh Gorge train ride here in Thorpe. It's approximately a 70-minute ride. It was so enjoyable, and I don't know if many of you have had the opportunity, if you are here in PA, to actually check it out, but it is a lot of fun. And I want to say that one thing I do want to point out, I was sitting on the left side of the train, so my video perspective was from that side of the train. There are other videos on YouTube, probably taken from people that were sitting on the right side, because I noticed one actually that Ronnie showed me, and basically it was the one turn which they would have been on the right side coming to it as it was turning to go back. So there is other videos that you can watch here on YouTube of the train ride and get a different perspective of being on the different side of the train. But I really hope you enjoy it, guys. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit my subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Take care, guys. Enjoy the video, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.
There it is right there, isn't it? Yeah, I see. And this is what we are on right now. Everyone here on the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway. It's a 70-minute round trip ride through the Lehigh Gorge State Park. So I'll be doing clips throughout our train ride.
Our train is now approaching the new Route 903 bridge, which was dedicated to the late Sergeant Andrew J. Baddock, a Thorpe native who lost his life saving another soldier during a mission in Iraq. The bridge was opened to the public in 2016 after replacing the former Route 903 bridge. The current bridge is nearly 1,000 feet long, sits approximately 100 feet above the Lehigh River, and leads visitors to Thorpe's Memorial on the other end of the town, beyond that, into the Pocono Mountains. Coming up, the new 903 bridge. To your right, you'll see the popular D&L Trail. This hiking and biking trail, created by the Delaware and Lehigh National Heritage Corridor, runs 165 miles from the city of Wilkes-Barre to Bristol, Pennsylvania. During the summer months, thousands of visitors can be seen enjoying the trail, which winds gently through Lehigh Gorge State Park near the Lehigh River. The town of East Thorpe. When we're in the middle of the bridge, look to your left, and you'll see the new bridge. As we prepare to head into the Lehigh Gorge State Park, the bridge on your left is brand new. This bridge, which connects Reading and Northern's Reading and Lehigh divisions, was constructed by the railroad to expedite moves between Reading and Scranton. It officially opened to rail traffic on February 4th, 2020.
I understand.
Oh my God, is that beautiful? Wow. What a view. What an absolutely amazing...
Hold on.
I know. What an amazing view.
After the Nesquehoning Bridge, we'll cross the Coalport Bridge. It crosses the former Lehigh Valley Railroad, once owned by Asa Packer. Passes over the Reading and Northern Lehighton branch, as well as the Norfolk Southern Lehigh line. When you look down, you'll see two tracks. One on the outside, that's Norfolk Southern. And one on the inside is Lehigh Gorge's track. We'll descend to that slowly to get into the park. The area on your left leads to the Falls.
I know, I'm looking over here though.
Mountain. It's the site of the legend of the beautiful Native American princess Inoka. According to the legend, the princess leaped to her death from the upper falls after her father told her she couldn't marry her true love. To this day, historians and storytellers cannot prove just how much of the story is true. The legend says the princess still haunts the falls, and the spirit of the mist will appear on bright sunny mornings over the water below. She did not appear this morning. Our crew has not seen her for 15 years. If we do spot her, we'll make sure it appears on the internet, and you'll know all about it.
Oh, we're not on the bridge yet. We're not on the bridge yet. Now we are.
I know, but I can't see
Okay,
it.
follow
I'm
those
going this
pylons
side.
back over your right shoulder, and you'll see
Oh my
the
gosh,
opening on
look
the
at
side of
that.
the mountain. That's the tunnel.
Oh,
That's the tunnel I was in right there. Me and Sandy
I
Alex were
see.
in that tunnel.
right there, yeah. Oh gosh.
And the old railroad supports.
Next, our train will proceed through the appropriately named rock cut.
Wow.
Of the train. The Lehigh River on the right side of the train is a popular adventure for thousands of visitors a year. The river flows 109 miles into the Delaware River and is known for its numerous Class 2 and Class 3 rapids. During the warm summer months, it's not at all unusual to see dozens of rafters and kayakers enjoying trips down the Lehigh. The name Lehigh comes from the Lenape Indian phrase, where there are forks. Besides rafting and kayaking, the river is also a popular fishing location with a variety of species including trout, smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, carp, and catfish. In 1818, the Pennsylvania General Assembly gave away the rights to the Lehigh River. It was owned by the Lehigh Coal and Navigation Company and used for transporting coal to the region. This was the only example in United States history where the state did not own water rights to a river. In 1965, a bill was passed rescinding Lehigh Coal and Navigation Company ownership, and that was final. As we continue on our trip to Old Penn Haven, you may notice numerous mile markers. These markers, like milepost 128 that we're approaching, indicate the miles away from Penn Station in New York City. These mile markers have also been created to feature a variety of state wildlife that call Lehigh Gorge State Park home. across the river, you may get a glimpse of the area where Bear Creek empties into the Lehigh River. Bear Creek is a favorite for those who enjoy fishing for Pennsylvania's state fish, the brook trout.
Yeah, you could actually feel that.
To empty into the Lehigh River. What makes it unique is that even on the hottest and driest summer days and on the coldest, most brutal winter days, the water never stops flowing and it never runs dry. We had the water tested as 100% pure, and it's so cold it will make your teeth hurt. Coming up on the left, our version of Niagara Falls.
Oh, there it is.
I see it. Oh my God. That's beautiful.
I said it was small.
But you wasn't wrong, it was small.
Still beautiful.
We reached our destination, Old Penn Haven, and also known as Penn Haven Junction. There it is, right there.
That's what I was in.
If you want to go through that, the hikers are welcome, but be advised, you better have a flashlight. It's dark in there. Now, I've never been in there. I don't like dark places, things that might be in there. So here's the secret. Send in somebody you don't like. And if they don't come out, and you know not to go in there, if they come back out, you're okay. You use your light, go ahead and look around.
I've been in there, it's not that dark.
That could be a paid political announcement, be careful. Okay, we have one rider's been in there, so there's the entrance, right there on the next parking lot. It's over your left shoulder, back under the trees. It's well hidden, but it's open. So if you want to go in there, there's people come out and grin, so I guess it's all right.
Do you have a light with you?
That's me outside.
Ah, okay.
It's just a little bit too cold to get up into it and then down.
Oh, okay. The bears go in there, though.
It's an old rail tunnel on the hill.
Oh, okay. So this is some of the return trip. We're on our way back to Thorpe. Very enjoyable ride. I loved it. And I can't wait to be going over the river again.
This is the Nesquehoning Bridge. Look downriver to your left, you'll get a good view of East Jimthorpe.
Right? Like,
Of course, it feels like a
We are now officially out of the Lehigh Gorge State Park. Coming up on the right, Big Tower, and we'll be on our way into Nesquehoning Junction and down within the yard limits, heading for Jim Thorpe Road.
Look at the graffiti in there. Did you see the graffiti?
Yeah, I did.